Hey guys, today we are gonna be making the ultimate healthy cookies that y'all have been waiting for. You guys have asked me to make a tutorial on something healthy and eggless, and this is it. I am so glad I took my time to figure this out because there is no going back now. This will probably be the best healthy cookies that y'all have ever eaten. So let's get started. To make this a healthier version, I've used erythritol, which is a zero-calorie sugar. This stuff is amazing to have in your pantry, especially if you have diabetes, and it is easily available on Amazon. In case you want to use regular caster sugar, add half the quantity mentioned in the ingredients above. Start by mixing the dry ingredients together to combine all the flavors. You can also use a whisk to mix the ingredients here. Add the wet ingredients and mix with a spatula until they all come together. Once the dough is roughly mixed, add the raisins and nuts of your choice. You can also add some chopped dark chocolate and mix together. I found it easier to do this step with my hand as it helps combine all the left out dry ingredients into one dough. At this point, if you think that the dough could use some more hydration, you can add some water or milk to help you mix the dough together better. At the end of this process, the dough should be able to hold its shape when you press it together. You can start preheating the oven at this point. Roll the dough into medium-sized balls and flatten it out in your palms before placing it on the baking tray. Repeat this process with the rest of the dough. If you think the dough is drying out, sprinkle some water over it and continue shaping it. Note that these cookies do not spread on their own. They retain the same shape as you have placed on the baking tray. Now it's time to bake the cookies. The baking time varies from one oven to another. Mine took about 20 minutes to bake. Once the cookies turn golden brown, it is time to take them out. Once the cookies are baked, allow them to cool for 20 minutes and then drizzle some melted dark chocolate over them. This step is completely optional, but it adds to the overall taste of the cookies. Here you go guys, this is my super healthy oats and raisins cookies that you can make and have for some guilt-free indulgence. These cookies taste absolutely divine and they are a perfect snack that can be enjoyed with some evening tea. Do try it out and let me know how it all turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!